Back on the Zenith 14A9C50 from 1969. Sorry, this was a mistake I made. This is 1969 model, not 1967. And it has more than one transistor. It uses transistor for color and all sorts of other stuff other than the IF. I was wrong about that. And it's a 23-inch, not a 25-inch. So I've kind of been letting the CRT cook for a little bit, and this is what we got. Blue, green, red. So yeah, not in the best shape. But I figured out why we didn't have any focus. As you can see, the focus rectifier is completely gone, dead, smoked. And that says plus there. So what we're going to do for, it looks like it carbon tracked too. What we're going to do for testing purposes is I'm going to plug in this, which is a solid state rectifier for something like that. And it should give us plenty of oomph. So negative is going towards the cathode, so the plate's the positive. So it should give us plenty of oomph, and hopefully we can get our focus going. And I'm going to connect it just like that. So we're going to power the set up. I have the signal generator on it, and I did test if it had color, and yes, it does have color. The color circuit is working. And so let's plug it in. Forgot to repopulate the damper and regulator tube. Let's do that now. Okay, this is going to be a trial run. Hopefully something will happen. Get ready to pull switch. And nothing. To put it the other way. Okay, let's try it this time. Oh, I think I hear it. Hey! What do you know? Try to adjust the focus. It's not perfect, but that's what we got. Boy, not a lot of red. Blue is way too high. Bit better. Boy, that CRT is weak. I mean, I know I'm not using the correct focus rectifier, but jeez. Wow, I think convergence might be a little out of whack. It definitely did not like that car ride home. Jeez, let me turn red up. fit better. Yeah, red was the weakest, and it definitely shows. I still need the correct focus rectifier. Boy, is that dim. First signs of life, I'm very happy. Even if it is mostly red and green. I mean, blue and green. I need to turn red down again. I just don't think it's got enough left in it, man. CRT could probably use a rejuve. That's too green. Still too green. Still too green. That's good enough. Needs a purity. But hey, at least it's showing something, right? It is one baked picture, but it's showing something. Let's get the NTSC pattern generator. That's supposed to be dots. That's crosshatch. Boy. Yeah, I think this CRT is spent. Let's get the NTSC pattern generator out. Do you want to do the... Okay. Oh boy. We had good focus there for a minute. Color oscillator isn't... There it goes. Okay, that's NTSC color bars. That's supposed to be white. Not too white, is it? Okay. That's supposed to be blue. That's blue. Where's brightness at? I'll do a mediocre setup on this thing real quick. So that's supposed to be blue. That's supposed to be white. Jeez. It's kind of white, it's just super dim. Turn this all the way down. Okay, that's blue, green, red. Oh boy, this thing is spent. That's supposed to be a white picture. It is, kinda. NTSC color bars. Yeah, that focus is not working too well. It's about right there. Like we got a couple dead phosphors. If I ever want to know what a delta pattern looks like, there you go. There is a delta focus. Delta pattern. That's supposed to be black. Yeah, this thing needs a full setup. Well, it's doing better, just not good. I need to get the correct focus rectifier in there. I need to replace the resistors too. So there you go. There's part 2 of the Zenith 1969 Zenith 23-inch color television.